Hello from Ibiza guys, Andy from Crypto Analyst here, and today we're going to talk about how can we trade Bitcoin and Ethereum, or in general the crypto market, within the next hours or days. So first of all, let me show you guys. Bitcoin has been trading within this descending yellow channel for a longer time, as you can see here, since weeks, okay? And as of right now, we are trading around this green support or resistance zone, okay? As of right now, we are actually more or less in the middle of the zone. So we have to wait. Do we get rejected and get lower price levels, or will we break through it and get to higher price levels? The question right now is, on the 4-hourly time frame, you can see we are just in the middle, I would say. So as of right now, we have to see if Bitcoin is able to break through this green resistance zone plus this blue line here, then we can enter a long position. If you want to trade, guys, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So first of all, now we have to wait. Will we break through this line, this zone and this line, then we can enter a huge long position. But if you would get a rejection, yeah, then we can expect lower price levels, and the next support will be around this zone. So this would be a huge short opportunity, okay? So let me show you Ethereum, what's going on with Ethereum. On the 4-hourly time frame, you can also see we are trading around this level here, and the RSI doesn't give us much information. But as of right now, sorry for the sunglasses, but it's so bright here, guys. We have to see, can we break through this resistance line, yes or no? If we can break above this level, you can enter a huge long position if you didn't already take a position, like I mentioned some days ago. And if you get a rejection, this would be a huge short opportunity with the next support zone around this yellow line. So this would be a huge short opportunity, guys. Okay, so that's what the market shows us right now. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.